Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson today. Today I want to show you how you can format a document in MS Word and apply the concept of column breaks and page breaks so that the final work and layout of the text looks attractive and pleasing to the readers. I will go ahead and show you in a folder a draft document with simple text without any formatting, plus some pictures which I am going to use to make the document or the article look attractive and pleasing to whoever will be reading it in future. Now you can see in this folder here, I have an article which has been word processed by just writing the paragraphs without doing any formatting on it. I have a couple of pictures about geography because this article is about geography. I will show you how to use the pictures and to manage the paragraphs and to put decorations until the final work is attractive and great. I will go ahead and open this article. Now you can see when you are doing word processing, you just type correctly and remove any errors. The issues of decoration or formatting, by formatting I mean to decorate a document, the issues of formatting comes later after you've done the processing. Right now you can see pure text, no formatting in them, and our work right now is to ensure that we format this article about geography to look beautiful and attractive. Down here you can see I have only one page and I want to make this document into 3 pages. Then from there I will be able to do the application of different styles to make it look attractive. Now I'm going to use what we call page break to break this document into 3 pages. This is how I'm going to break it. This part I want it to be in page 1. Then these two paragraphs will be in page 2, and finally the section on geographical features will be in page 3. I will come here just before the line and I want to break it into page 2. So I will click before this first sentence of the page 2, which I'm going to create, and click page layout. Then we have an icon called breaks. I will click it, then I will choose page, meaning break page or create a page break. So I will click it, and you can see this text has jumped to page 2, and now I have 2 pages here, and the other section has remained in page 1. So I will go ahead and break it here also. I want this part to go to page 3. I will just click before geographical features, and under page layout I'm going to choose page break page or page break. Finally, you can see down here I have 3 pages with different text which I'm going to format right now. The first thing I want to do is to apply a good style to this heading. Let me make it red and increase the font size probably to 26, and here I can choose a catchy font to please the readers. When you are choosing font, ensure that it is more readable. There are some fonts which are difficult to read, and those ones we don't encourage. So I have decided to use copper plate font, and I will make this maybe bold. Now below this heading, I want to use a nice line to separate the heading and this paragraph, and to do that I will create a space for the line by just clicking before the word geography and pressing enter. Then I will go and click the empty line which I created. I will use shapes, so I will just click insert, then go to shapes and choose line. Then I will press down the keyboard key, keyboard shift key, so that I get a perfect line. Then I will not release the shift key until I release the mouse button. Then you will come to under format, shape outline. I will choose red color and increase the thickness of that line to 1.5. Yes, 1.5. Now that one is okay. I want all my paragraphs to have one font, one size. So I'm going to select all of my text here, and I'm going to choose a Kandara font. If you know the name of the font, you can as well type directly like that. And I will choose this size 12. That is okay. I will go to the next page. Here, this is a paragraph. And now to select the other paragraph, I will press down Control key down as I select the other paragraph and type here Kandara. Size, remember, for all my paragraphs is 12, just like that. I will scroll to page 3 and do the paragraph which is here. I just choose here Kandara. Size is always 12, just like that. So all my paragraphs are done. They are Kandara size 12. Next, I will come to above this text here. I want to write introduction here, so I will just come here and insert a blank line, then type here introduction. Now I will have several subheadings. This is a subheading, this one, that one subheading, this one is also subheading. I want all my subheadings to have one style. So I will simply select my first subheading and choose here font. I want Verdana for the subheadings, and size, I think 14 want to be bad. Yes, 14. Verdana says 14, and I want it bold and purple in color. So all my subheadings will be Verdana. If you don't know the font, you just click this text. You can read Verdana 14, bold, purple. So I will just come to the other subtitles, select, press Control down, select the other one. Just come here, type Verdana. Size, remember it is 14, and purple, bold, and purple color is already a default one there. And I will check again here for another subheading. I have here, it is purple color, bold, Verdana, and size is 14, just like that. So I'm done with the paragraphs and the subheadings and the heading. The next thing to do is to, in this page 1, I want to insert here a picture of world map. So I will click the end of this paragraph and press enter to go to a new line where I'm going to insert a picture. So I will click insert picture. Of course, on the desktop, world map is there. So there, I'm done. This is a very good introduction with the picture of world map. I'm done with this page. I'm going to page 2. Here I want to split this into 2 columns. So I will select everything, then come to page layout here and choose break. Sorry, not break, columns. I want columns and choose here 2. So I have my 2 columns. Now I want to break this from here so that the part below it to move to the other column. So I will click the end of the first column, then come to breaks and choose a column break. Then here it has inserted an empty line. I'm going to press delete to delete that empty line and take that text up. This is great. Now the next thing to do is to insert pictures below these subheadings. To create space for the picture, I will click before physical geography and press enter and come to that empty line and choose insert picture and look for the physical geography picture and insert it there. Then click before human geography, press enter, click the empty line, insert picture, look for the human geography picture and insert it there. Now this one is almost done. This is okay. Now I will just move to the third page. Here I will also do a simple thing here. I want pictures below these small titles, so I will just select these 2 and make them maybe red and bold, and I will just create a space of 1 line between them, and I will come and insert pictures of natural geographical features here by just coming to insert picture. I want natural features like a mountain is a natural geographical feature. I will reduce its size to a suitable height. I think that will be okay. I will click next to the picture and put some space and come to insert picture. Another natural feature is forest, and I will insert it here. I will size it at the corner so that it doesn't lose shape. And you can see this picture of forest is very wide, and I don't want it to be wide like that. I want it to be the same size as this one. So I will crop it. I will click the picture, then come to crop tool and choose crop. Then I will just reduce it to a desirable size, almost the same size as the other one. Then I will click crop there. Now you can see the pictures are of the same size. I will click down here and also insert the other pictures. Click insert picture of artificial geographical features. This is a dam, and I will use it in size to be the same size as the pictures above. At least that size is almost the same size as that one of a mountain, like that. Click down here next to this picture and put some space, and then insert picture of another artificial geographical feature is city. City is built by human beings, so it is artificial, and position it there. Now I will go ahead, click next to this forest picture and press enter. And here I want to write names of items in the picture. So this one is mountain. This is mountain. but I want it black, so I will change color here, and I don't want it bold, so I can just write here mountain and position it in the middle, and just move with space, and below here write forest, like that. Okay, now another one down here, and write a dam. Dam is a geographical feature, but it is not natural, it is man-made. Then here cities are also built by people. So finally I have a complete document. The last thing to do is to insert page numbers, and I'm going to do this. Insert, choose page number here. I want the page number at the bottom of page. Then I want another one which looks better. I want this one which says page 1 of 1, and click it. So it is inserted inside the footer. So I'm going right now to click close header and footer, and now you can see my pages are now numbered. This is page 1 of 3, this is page 2 of 3, and this is page 3 of 3, and my document is well organized and can now be printed and be filed. If you want to print it, you save it, then you click file, then there's an option to print here, you click print, then there's a print preview, you can click next to see how it looks. Then if you are satisfied, you'll choose the type of printer you want here, and printers normally have names, and finally you click print and it goes to the printer. Thank you for participating and watching this lesson. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.